Hello everyone, welcome to another video. As a part of 501 course in full stack web development, I have designed a sports scheduler website. This is the website which connects admin and a player who's interested in the various sports which are posted by various admins. You can see my, first of all, we can go through my website. You can see my landing page here. We have two different types of logins. One is join as player and as admin. You can see my web page here. This is a landing page. Now going to sign up. First of all, I'm accessing as an admin. Here I have given my name and email, and I'm giving a random password. And this is a most important field for admin sign up. For example, I have given an admin 2024 as an admin code because users are not validated to sign up as admin. So I have given a particular code admin 2024 which is only known for admin to sign up as admin. Now I'm signing as admin. Now I'm going to log in again here. See you can I have given my email and password. Login as admin and see this is my admin page and this is the admin dashboard. You can see there are three total users, one active session and one sport available. You can scroll down. You can see here you can add a new session in which you can choose sports. For now, I have only selected only one. I have added only one sport that is cricket. You can add various sports here. For example, I have added here tennis and create. You can see that here the sports list is updated. And for example, I have creating another sport. Suppose basketball. Create. See now you can update the sports like this. Now we can create a sports session. Now here we create session option. Select a sport. Select the time. For suppose I am selecting 29th morning 10:30 a.m. When you wish to install technology, looking for number of players 9 or 8. Create. See here, you can see the available sports details here. And these are created by me. These are the sessions created by me. Now coming to the dashboard, you can scroll to the various options, active sessions, available sports, total number of users, and so on. Here are the details of the sports, number of cricket sessions, number of basketball sessions, number of tennis sessions. Yeah, these are the details you can see here. Now I'm going to log in as a user, say a player. Sign up for player. For suppose I'm using sagar@gmail.com and email sagar. Sign up. Now I'm logging as student player. See, you can see the list of approvals here. See, these are the sports I have listed. Now, for example, the Sagar person is interested in playing cricket. He can check the details here and he can request the join. Now, the request is sent to the admin for approval. For suppose I'm going to access the admin again, login as admin. See here, the approval is waiting for by the admin here. The admin can accept or reject the player. For suppose I am going to accept. You can see pending list, approve list, rejected list. You can see by the admin user. And this is all about the admin. Now coming to the user again, login as user. We can see here the cricket request is approved, and you can update the profile here, a username, or you can change the mail if required, and it is updated here. See, you can see player information, and this is all about the uh, yeah, player profile. Now we can scroll through the code. You can see this is the main code of this website. First app.js, which I have imported various packages, Express for Express.js, sessions for password privacy, and various .NET for MongoDB connections. And where I have used embedded JavaScript EJS and JavaScript for this coding mostly. You can see my code here through app.set and various. I have used routing express such that we can route various, and I have created two different routes for user and for admin for clarification and good looking. You can see that code here. Now coming to the code each by each. This is create test user for user connection with MongoDB. Now coming to seed sport. These are the main page to create sport and add sport such as sample. Now seed. This is used to add a new one for this one, and sync is used to sync with the database. Now coming to the source configurations, passport.js, and this is to create a password field which is successful or not. Middleware. Middleware is mainly authentication. I have used the authentication you can see here, and role.authentication. For successful authentication, you can log in, and we have to divide player and admin also. So I have used this role-based authentication. Now coming to the models, index.js. This is main one to connect MongoDB, and upload schema, which are required for player ID or admin ID, and the sports schema or creating new session, etc. So you can see that all schemas here. Now coming to the public route, and I have added a CSS here. Coming to the routes, as I had said before, this is for admin route. You can see my code here. I have inbuilt added admin dashboard also here. You can see that, and dashboard is different for both admin and user or players. You can see that from before website. You can see my code here, and these are the different codes you can check. This is the authentication. This is route for authentication. For successful authentication, it goes through the next route for and it also divide user and admin logins. You can see that admin logins and sign up index.js. This is another route which takes dashboard of admin or user, and these are the reports which shows the result of schedule cancelled or completed or waiting list. You can see that here, and these are the requests. This route handles the request of pending approved rejected of player for supported sport. You can see that here, and these are the sessions which is created by you admin and accessed by different users which they are interested or not. And you can see that cancelled or session in process pending. You can see that all requests here. Sports. This is space used to add sport, and we can select from the time of creation. creating the event. And this is the user route in which a username, approved, status all are stored here. Coming to the views folder app, you can see that here this is main file as I showed already, and these are the required. This is the required code for this website, and this is my final website. Thank you, friends.